Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you are all ready for Valentine's because I am super excited. I'm not a big fan of pink, but sometimes when I apply makeup, it just comes out so pretty that I fall in love with the color pink all over again. So here I am today in front of you guys to share a look for Valentine's Day. In this video, I'm going to share with you a look only for the eyes. I'm only going to create the eye makeup for you guys because the rest of the face is done off camera just to save a little bit time. And if you guys like this look, please keep on watching, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's get started. So I've already done the rest of my face and I've also applied a little bit loose powder under my eyes. And the reason why I've done that is if you have any fallout from the eyeshadow application, we can clean it off with a clean brush and the rest of our face is not going to get spoiled. I've also applied a little bit corrector and concealer on my eyelid so that it cancels out the discoloration and the veins that can be seen on my eyelid, and it just gives me a clean canvas to work on. And now to start with, I am going to take the Delanchi lip palette. Yes, you heard me right guys. I'm going to take the Delanchi lip palette to use a color which is most suitable for my eyeshadow as a base. So I'm taking this nude color from the lip palette and I'm taking a very small amount of it, applying it all over my eyelid. And I'm taking a very small amount of it because you guys know that it's obviously a lip palette that I'm taking from. And with a dry beauty blender, I'm just going to tap it all over my eyelid. You can clearly see the difference between both the eyelids. This one has given a little bit color and this will also enhance the eyeshadow color as well, whereas this one looks completely dull. And then I'm taking the Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and with the lightest shade, which is also called Wasted, and with the brush that it comes with, I'm taking the fluffy side, tapping a little bit on the shade Wasted, tapping off the excess because it's really important, otherwise it'll just fall off on underneath our eyes and that's not what we want. I'm just going to apply it as my transition color. As you can see, I'm tapping it and not swiping it because we have a cream base on our eyelid and we need to set it with a loose powder, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm only tapping it, and hence, therefore it will not really move the cream products. And once I'm happy with the setting, I'm just going to swipe it and blend the shade in circular motions and in windshield wiper motions. Going in with the stiffer side of the brush, I'm taking the shade Semsa, very lightly tapping off the excess, applying it only in the outer corners of my eye just to create a little depth and dimension. I'm also going only up till my natural crease, and I'm actually using a little bit of the flickering motion to spread the product and to blend it out. I feel you can honestly blend the product while tapping it as well, but you just need to be a little bit more patient. And with the other side, and without taking any more product, I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines that we may have created on the outer corners. Then I'm taking a smudge brush. This is from Morphe M506 and with the shade Semsa again. I'm going to apply it in my lower thirds of my eye. As I apply, I'm also going to blend it with the outer corners of my upper eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it only in the outer thirds of my lower eyelid. Then I'm taking a flat brush. This is from PAC 091 and with the shade Cupcake, I'm going to apply it on the centers of my eyelid in flickering motion so that we can get the maximum pigmentation out of this product. And this is such a pretty color, guys. It's a beautiful mix of purple and pink, and I think it'll look gorgeous on Valentine's Day. So again, I'm also just taking it only up till my natural crease and blending it with the other shade that we applied, which is the Semsa. I'm also going to go back to the Morphe shade, take a Morphe brush, take a little bit of the Semsa, tap off the excess and blend any harsh lines that we may have created. And for the inner corners, I'm going to take the same brush, just twist it and use the other side, because what's the point of using too many brushes? I'm going to go with the shade Barb and apply it in the innermost corners of my eye. It's more like creating a soft crease, because I'm just taking and connecting the inner corners of my eye all the way to my natural crease. Guys, I'm really sorry for the voiceover until now, because I unfortunately had not plugged in my mic properly. But from now on, you're gonna hear my beautiful voice, and I hope it's clear. And now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, apply some mascara, and today I'm gonna apply a mascara from Maybelline. This is called the Hyper Curl. And of course, I'm gonna wear some lashes. This is from Kingdom of Lashes in the shade Sugar Heaven. But before that, for my inner corners, I'm going to take another smudge brush. This is from Morphe 124. I'm going to take the shade OG and I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line, wherever we did not end up applying any eyeshadow, which is from the inner corners all the way to the centers. And I'm just going to blend it out with the shade Semsa that we applied underneath. Now, if you're not wearing false lashes, which is okay, trust me, even if it's Valentine's Day and you do not wear false lashes, it's completely fine. But I would highly recommend you to wear a lot of mascara, because that just adds a little drama, and it looks really nice when your lashes are full. So please don't forget to wear a lot of mascara. And for my inner corners, I'm going to apply a little bit of the shade Anastasia with a pencil brush. This is just going to brighten up the eye and make it look a little bit more wider. I'm just going to dust off the loose powder under my eyes, and I'll just show you my final look without and with lashes. So this is my final eye look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. I will also create another video which I will link right over here for you guys, which will be more like a Valentine look in 5 minutes. So please do let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested and if you guys are looking forward to it. And I wish you a very, very happy Valentine's Day, guys. Please stay in love, stay happy, and I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.